Hi Elmo, it's Grandma, and here we are in Port Sanilac, Michigan at the marina. Today I'm going to call things by their real names. Let's try that, okay? Okay, so here we are at the marina and I am on Grandpa's boat. And I want to show you before it's moving all the compartments. Back there is the motor and it's going to crank up and move us. Here's a compartment like on a trunk of a car where you put stuff. There is the ignition for the motor. Here's the front of the boat. There's Grandpa taking down the sails. Here's the sails. And here's the marina. But let's go inside. First, well, let's look at the ignition. Here's the ignition. Right here, and you put a key in over here and you pump this thing up and down and pull this lever back and it starts the motor, and there's the gas tank. But oh wait, here comes somebody leaving. Let's watch. Here they come. They're going out for a ride. There they are. Wow, that looks really fun. They're gonna ride in the water. There's the lake. It looks really pretty today. That's Lake Huron. But let's watch this boat leave. They're backing up and they're going to go out there, which is called still in the marina, and then they're going to go around out to the lake from there. So let's watch. There they go. Nice. There they go. They're going to have a lovely sail today. Okay, now let's go down into the boat. So this is what's confusing. Here's the boat up here, and this is called a trimaran, right? But here's this little house under the boat as part of the boat. And let's go down in here and see what's down here. This is what the inside looks like. Here we go. First, there's this little kitchen area. So you get a sink, and that's supposed to be a stove, but it doesn't really work very well. And then you get this little cabin where you can sit and sleep. So here it is. This is the cabin with places to sit. And this is the radio where you can call for help. It comes out like that, and you call. Help me, help me. Help me, we're stuck in the water. That's what you do. Okay, and this is the fun part. Check this out, I'm gonna open this up. This is a potty and a sink. So the boat has a potty. There it is. We're gonna close up the door and take another look around. There it is. This is Grandpa's boat. That's what it looks like under the deck. And then to get out of the deck, we walk up these steps. Walk up, and here we are back on the top. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the boat. Bye-bye.